Good morning, all of you. I am Amol Deshmukh, your math teacher. Exercise 3.11 from R.D. Sharma. Question number 1. If in a rectangle the length is increased and width is reduced each by 2 units, the area is reduced by 28 square units. This is the first condition. And if, however, the length is reduced by 1 unit and width is increased by 2 units, the area increases by 33 square units. Find the area of rectangle. And area means length into width equal to area of rectangle. So first write down the length of rectangle equal to x and width of rectangle equal to y units. So write down length of rectangle equal to x unit, width of rectangle equal to y units. Therefore area of rectangle, length into width, that is x into y. So look at the first condition. If in a rectangle the length is increased and width is reduced each by 2, means we have to increase the length by 2, means add 2 in the length. So by first condition we have to increase length by 2, means add 2 in the length, and width is reduced by 2, means subtract 2 from width. Then area reduced by 28 square units, means area is xy and reduced means minus. So area decreases by 28 square units. X plus 2, it is a new length. Y minus 2, it is also new width. And length into width, that is the area. And new area is original area minus 28. This is the first condition. So to solving this equation and make a linear equation in two variables. So do the multiplication of these two brackets, x into y, that is xy, x into minus 2, minus 2x, 2 into y, 2y, and 2 2s are minus 4 is equal to xy minus 28. This plus xy, here it becomes minus, and this plus xy and minus xy get cancelled. So minus 2x plus 2y minus 4, that is equal to minus 28. Therefore minus 2x plus 2y, it is equal to minus 28. This minus 4 get plus 4. Therefore minus 2x plus 2y, here 28 minus 4, that is 24, and write the sign of greater number. Take minus 2 as a common. So in the bracket x minus y is equal to minus 24. Therefore x minus y is equal to minus 24 by minus 2. Therefore x minus y is equal to this minus become plus. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Write this as equation number 1. Here read the second condition. What is the second condition? If, however, the length is reduced by 1, means we have to length is decreased by 1 and width is increased by 2, means we have to add 2 in the width and subtract 1 from length. Then the area increases by 33 square units, means we have to add 33 in the area, and area is xy. Therefore by second condition, here we have to subtract 1 from the length and add 2 in the width, and area increases by 33, means we have to add 33 in original area, that is xy. So x minus 1, this is the new length. Y plus 2, it is a new width. Length into width, that is area, and new area is original area plus 33, means new area is increases by original area by 33. So again multiply these two brackets, x into y, that is xy, 2 into x, that is 2x, minus 1 into y, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, it is equal to xy plus 33. Again this plus xy, here it become minus, and this xy get cancelled. So 2x minus y minus 2, it is equal to 33. Therefore 2x minus y is equal to 33 plus 2. Therefore 2x minus y, it is equal to 35. Right, this is equation number 2. Again we have to solve these two linear equation by any one of the method. So I am solving these two linear equations by substitution method. Here I am find the value of any one of the variable in terms of other variable from any one of the equation. So I am finding the value of variable y in terms of x from equation 2. So write down from equation 2, from 2x, this plus 35, here it becomes minus 35, and minus y it becomes plus y. Therefore the value of y is 2x minus 35, and we have to use this value in equation number 1, that is x minus y is equal to 12, so that the whole equation becomes in variable x. So from 1 and 3, or write, put y is equal to 2x minus 35 in equation 1. Put y is equal to 2x minus 35 in equation number 1, and here this is the equation x minus y equal to 12, and replace the value of y by 2x minus 35. So we get x minus y is equal to 12, x minus, and value of y is 2x minus 35 is equal to 12. Therefore x, multiply this bracket by minus 1, so minus 1 into 2x, that is minus 2x, this minus minus get plus, is equal to 12. Again these two are like terms and opposite signs, so subtract and write the sign of greater number. So 2x minus x, that is x, and write the sign of greater number, that is minus x, plus 35 is equal to 12. Therefore minus x is equal to 12 minus 35. Therefore minus x is equal to, again opposite signs are there, so subtract and write the sign of greater number. 35 minus 12, that is 23, and write the sign of greater number, that is minus 23, and this minus minus become plus. Therefore the value of x is 23. So again put this value in equation, either equation 1, 2 or 3. So equation 3 is very easy. Here this is the equation 3. Y is equal to 2x minus 35. Y is equal to 2x minus 35. So put x is equal to 23 in equation number 3. And equation 3 is y is equal to 2x minus 35. Therefore y is equal to 2 into value of x is 23 minus 35. 23 to the 46 minus 35, that is equal to 11. Therefore the value of y is 11. But here we have to find area of rectangle, and area of rectangle is xy. Here the area of rectangle is xy. Value of x is 23, value of y is 11. 23 into 11, that is 253, and it is area of rectangle, and unit of area is square units. So write down area of rectangle equal to 253 square units.